Okay, 2018 whitetail season, somewhere in northern Michigan. Just wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching Mr. 151 Josh's YouTube channel. Just wanted to show you today how to make a proper bait pile. As you can see, I got some cornucopia of stuff here. This is a long-term bait pile that I'm going to be using all the way through season. So it's the second time I've come and put bait out at it, but I want to get the deer in the habit of coming here. So anyway, what we got here is we have our carrots slightly chopped up because you don't want them to be walking away with them or eating them all really fast. We've got sugar beets chopped up into big hunks. Those hunks are really big. If you can see that, nice big hunks of beets. So again, so they don't walk away with it. There's a little bit of a sweet mix that you can get pretty much anywhere, any gas station, anywhere they sell it. No more, don't pay any more than, $6 for 20 pounds of it though. It's can get expensive, so I don't use a whole lot of that. Also, I have out here my favorite ingredient that I use for bait piles that always works, it never fails me, is Acorn Rage. Acorn Rage by Wild Game Innovations. This stuff actually has little pieces, as you can see right there and there. Well, maybe. Anyway, those are pieces of white acorn that's in it. They advertise that they use white acorns in their mix, and deer do flock to it. They really love it, and it works very good. One other little thing that I like to use as well is Acorn Rage Juiced. Let me show you here. Well, actually, guess I've got Buck Jam today, which is supposedly, I mean, it's got a picture of an acorn, but I don't know. It's got honey acorn flavor in it. This stuff does work too. I normally buy Acorn Rage Juice. This is all I had today, but I will be getting a couple bottles before I do start hunting, because I will refresh these piles almost every day during season when I'm hunting. Anyway, you take the juice that's really syrupy and thick. I make a little trench and I just pour some right out, and then sprinkle it here and there. And then what I'm gonna do is I like to find a small, like dead wood of sorts, and I will pour it right on there and let that soak in real good. And that just broadcasts this really sweet scent all over the place and brings deer for a long ways. They'll bed down near your blind. You'll see them. I've also got a camera on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that off. Anyway, one other little secret technique that I've learned over the years that I don't know if all the hunters are doing. I'm sure they're out chopping them up. I'm sure they're using all these ingredients, but one thing that I like to do is I will take one of the biggest, larger carrots in my pile. I will find a nice tree, let's say that one near the pile, near my bait pile, that's got rough bark on it. And I will just rub that till it makes like a carrot slush on the side of the tree. And that is just gonna broadcast that smell 10 times more than that bait alone. As you know, whitetail work with their nose. Their nose knows everything. So the more they smell, the better. So anyway, you got any questions, comments, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching Mr. 151 Josh's YouTube channel. Have a good day, and good luck to everybody out there in this 2018 whitetail season. Signing off. Thanks a lot. Bye.